Hello everyone, good day to you all. This is the Cryptoprophet. Click on that subscribe button so that way you get notified anytime I drop video contents like this. Without wasting much time, let's hop in straight into the charts. So guys, I just want to give you a quick update for Bitcoin. I would be very brief as possible. If you need further updates and if you actually need to know how to navigate these markets, ensure you subscribe to any of my premium platforms and you're going to get the best information. So I'm just putting this out just for the benefit of everyone who is watching this video. So it's not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so you can make your own research, do your own research. Don't follow what I tell you. And I'm not going to be mentioning the dates like I used to do in the past. I'm just going to go very straightforward. For those of you who are experienced, you should get a clue of what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the chart of Bitcoin now. Bitcoin is in a falling wedge, and I just want to tell you all that there's a high possibility that Bitcoin may have topped out here, because this is actually a head and shoulders formation. Okay, so this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So the right shoulder has formed, I think so, because if you take a look at this area here, we're having some form of resistance on this white line here. Now the same resistance was here. This was on the 8th of December. The same resistance was here on the 5th of December. So let's say throughout the month of December, we had this resistance. And then crossing into the month of January, we had a formation for the head. And that was when we had this pump up. Then we brought down to this, we plummeted down below this white line here. And right now we are facing some form of resistance at this same point. This came up on the 29th of January. This came up on the 2nd of February. This came up on the 6th of February, guys. And if we take a look at the 4-hour charts, let's take a look at the 4-hour chart and see the formation. So we can see here that currently this is a formation that's forming on the 4-hour chart. We can see that the market has been facing resistance. We are creating series of higher lows, but we are creating series of lower highs. Okay, so from all indications, if we do not break out of this area, then there's a high possibility that we're heading towards the downside, guys. So the next target for the downside is around $41,000. $41,000 is the next target. Around $41,300 thereabouts is the next target towards the downside. And if we break this area, then we're heading a lot lower, guys. We are heading down to $38,000. So I need you all to be extremely very careful. Do not follow what I tell you, please. Follow what you feel. Make your own research. I'm only here to give you an update based on what I know and based on what I see. If you need very detailed and forensic and in-depth analysis, ensure you look for ways to connect with the Cryptoprophets. Now, I've not been producing videos like before because I've been very busy. The year has begun, lots of goals to achieve, and I may not be posting videos like I used to do in the past because there is really a lot to do. So if you need to get across to the Cryptoprophet, ensure you subscribe into any of my premium channels. I'm going to be sharing coins there that are really going to be of help to as many persons who are with me. And please take note of this, guys. Let's take a look at the DXY. I would have loved us to take a look at the stock exchange markets, but there is no time for that. So for the dollar, the DXY is actually bearish in the 4-hour chart. So from what I can see here, once we find support on this Gaussian channel for the DXY, I'm going to watch out for the reaction for the stock exchange markets to see how the stock exchange market is going to react. But this is what I want to tell you guys. Please be very, very careful because there is a very high possibility that the dollar may find some form of support on the Gaussian channel. Okay, it may find some form of support on the Gaussian channel. And if that happens, the S&P 500, let's check the S&P 500. if that happens, guys, the S&P 500 is likely gonna face some form of reaction. So let's actually see how this plays out. Now I'm gonna be watching out for this point here for the S&P 500 to see how the S&P 500 is gonna react. Okay, so I'm gonna be watching out for this white line here and see how the S&P 500 is going to react. So guys, for today and tomorrow, I'm going to be watching this like a hawk. This would be a very good area to short the S&P 500. If you're in my channel, I'm going to be sharing some trades on the Nvidia. We're going to trade stocks. We trade stocks. We trade crypto. I'm going to be sharing some trades on the Nvidia because I see a very good opportunity there. I'm also seeing a very good opportunity in the Nasdaq as well. This is why you need to be with the crypto prophets because we're going to make money from all sides, guys. All sides in the year 2024, the year 2025 and above. We're going to make very good money trading these markets. We do not just trade crypto, but we also trade stocks as well. This is why the crypto prophet is highly experienced because I can trade the stock exchange market. I can analyze the stock exchange market. It's very difficult to find traders that trade the stock market and can analyze the stock market as well. And this is why I am always very accurate in my prophecies. I tell you this is what wants to happen and you see it come to pass and even mention the date and mention the time. So guys, this is my opinion for the S&P 500 and for the dollar. I would just give you all this warning. Be very careful. For some time now, we've been scalping these markets, but I believe a big move is coming, which is most likely going to take Bitcoin down to the downside. And my targets are as stated below, $41,000, and we're going to go back to $39,000 and even break it to 38. So be very careful because that is what I see coming in the future. To mention the dates or tell you the time, that's going to be in my own channel, so ensure you follow up. Do not follow what I tell you. Don't tell me, Crypto Prophet, I followed what you told me on YouTube and I did this and did that. No, if you need my direct mentorship, you need to follow me directly. Join my inner circle. It's as simple as that. You cannot be following me for free on YouTube and expect the same results like those in my inner circle. It's not going to work. So I'm just here to give you my opinion. In the past, I give you these informations free of charge, and lots of people make use of my informations. Lots of persons make use of my dates for the analysis, but I've stopped all of that because this is a year of seriousness. So we mean business here. So if you want to connect with the Crypto Prophet, send a message to the email below and you're going to get instructions on how to join our premium channel, and we take it up from you can take it up from there, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for your time. See you in my next video. I remain the Crypto Prophet. Follow me on other social media platforms. You're going to receive information there as well that is going to help you. Thank you so much. See you guys later from the Crypto Prophet. God bless you.